All right, so for this video, we are gonna, let's see, reference image, add photos. Oh, there we are. We're gonna do a pan. Yeah, a pan. Yeah, first. So for this Nomad Sculpt video, we're gonna do a pan. So first things first, let's get rid of the sphere. We're gonna add a cylinder primitive. There we are. This will be, yeah, our pan. Let's make it a little bigger. That's good. Now let's duplicate that. Oh. That's about good. Okay. Let's make sure that's not too big. Let's see. Okay. Bring it up a little bit right there. Then in the middle, top, just to make sure we're pretty good. All right. So now we can subtract that out. Simple merge. Oh. You gotta do a voxel merge for this. All right. Sweet. So we get the bottom of our pan. Now let's do the handle. This can be a small box, nothing too big. So let's go this way. Yeah, that's a good location. Like that. Put it up here. Put that on top. Okay. All right. That's good. Validate. Let's do some pulling. Oh, but make sure that, yeah, it is in between. Okay. So our mirroring will work fine. So move, decrease the intensity. So what we're gonna do is make like this section right here go down. So we get like some nice curved shape there. This will be like our metallic part that's attached to our pan. So Gizmo. Alright, sweet. Then we can add another primitive box. Top. All right, that's about right between. All right, go down left. This should be way thinner than the metal part connecting that, like this. Yeah. Okay. Then make this keep going. Oh, that's a little too big. Proportions are off. Okay. All right. Select yes. Okay. And there we have it. So we'll make this. Let's go to paint. We're pretty much done with our pan. Let's go with some wood right here. Yeah, painted. PBR. Yeah, wood's fine. And then let's see these two sections. We're gonna do a voxel merge. That's good. Okay. Let's smooth that out. Sweet. Oh, I gotta fix that here too. And let's do a voxel, so it'll fix our geometry to some extent. All right, that's pretty good. Now with that done, we can add some gray to that. Oh, go paint. There we are. Give it a nice coating. Actually, why don't we make this wood into like a nice gold. All right, cool. All right, and there we have our pan with a gold handle. And you can make it bigger, wider. We can even make a walk as well. It just really depends on you, but this is a simple pan. This is pretty much it for the video. If you want to stick along, I'll show you again how to do the UV unwrap, and I'll make this this model available for you to download as well. So let's do that. So first, let's rename things. Cylinder, pan, then pan handle. All right, there we are. Remember, each scene object, we gotta either decimate it first or unwrap it. And this is pretty good. 71 faces, vertices are under 71, under 100K, so just UV unwrap. And sorry, there's just a bunch of animal alerts. We got cats out in the neighborhood. Well, outside. All right, there we got our pan. Let's do our pan handle. Unwrap. Okay, all good. So then all UV unwrapped and a little color coded, a little painted too. So now all we have to do is just export it as a GITF and all good. All right, so video's done. Thanks for watching and best of luck. If you have any questions or you want something modeled, let me know. I'll see what I can do.